This is the first video for the Chemical Reactions Unit 3. First thing you'll need is the Chemical Reactions Unit 3 packet. Packets en route. I also sent you an email update this morning with both parts, part 1, part 2. You'll need both parts to complete a full packet. You know, if you have page 19, you indeed have a full packet. We're starting right at the very beginning. This is the very first slide. In your packet, you'll want to jump to the back of page 12. Back of page 12, you will find this slide. And this is going to discuss the 5 types of chemical reactions, but before we even go there, we've got some terms we want to introduce when we're talking about chemical reactions. The chemical reaction describes a change that chemicals would undergo. It starts with reactants, which would be on the left side. You draw an arrow that points to the right side, and you have products. What this arrow means is yields or produces. Reactants yield or produce products. In this first PowerPoint, it's very short. We are going to look at the 5 types or 5 families of chemical reactions. First up is a synthesis reaction. In a synthesis reaction, you have 2 or more elements or compounds combined to make a more complex substance. Easily explained by letters A and B. Molecule A combines with molecule B to make new compound molecule AB. Or if we throw some color in there, we have red molecule combines with blue molecule to make a red-blue molecule. That is a synthesis reaction. In a decomp, compounds break down into simpler substances. A decomposition reaction is just the reverse process of the synthesis reaction. In the decomp, you have AB, this guy, the red-blue guy from above, he breaks down back into individual red and individual blue, like so. In a single replacement reaction, one element replaces another in one of the compounds. In a single replacement, what goes on here is I like to think of this as a happy couple at the dance. That this young lady realizes that she's paired with a total loser, and this guy's looking totally hot, so he comes in and he kicks the loser out. The new couple forms between A and C. She's happy, he's happy, and this guy's going home alone. That is single replacement. Double replacement occurs when you have 2 different atoms and 2 different compounds trading places. So for a double, you're going to need a cation and anion in one compound and a cation and anion in another compound, and the 2 compounds, doesn't matter which ones you want to move. You can either move the cations or move the anions. It's a recombination. So what you have here is cation, anion, and basically what goes on here, A is going to get with D, and C is going to get with B. And there you have it. Add a little color into this. Here in the single, A comes in, it's kicking B out, and the double is just a swap. You're swapping cation for anion, and the double. In the combustion reaction, you must have a hydrocarbon. A hydrocarbon is a molecule made up of carbon and hydrogen, reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. The tip-off for a combustion reaction is carbon dioxide and water are always the products. As we'll see In one of the packets you have on Unit 3 in the Moodle folder, there's a packet called Combustion packet. We'll be looking at combustion reactions up close and personal. This is the 5 families. We'll be following along here. Again, this is on the back of page 12 of your packet. We're going to look at these reactions down below. We're going to go ahead and balance and type those in the next video.